Well, here we have the initial process of making sesame nougat. This is the same process, also for making peanut nougat. The sugar is melted. Here we see how our colleague Katrina is stirring it so it doesn't stick, burn, and dissolves. And here we have the first step. The sugar is still whole. Here and over there it's a bit more dissolved. Thank you. Yes, she is stirring two sugars at the same time. Wow. This is the sesame before adding it to the sugar, which we can see is completely dissolved. It's dissolved.
Our products are completely natural.
Beet, honey. And here we see the process of
Pouring. Homogenization. Homogeneous when it's liquid. Have you seen?
There you go.
I beat you there. You lost. You lost the big one. Go ahead. Oh, so divine. I can't stand it. That's what has fascinated me the most. But there they are. There they are.
And now Miss Katrina is getting ready to mix so that the sugar blends well with the sesame. The sesame goes through a carefully cleaning process, then roasting.
Please.
Toasted. In a pot like this over the fire, it's toasted, and then this comes.
The foam too.
Subscribe.
Here we see the lunch for the company. Greetings to Mrs. Dolma Zuniga. Miss Katrina is busy, but yeah.
She has 3 children, but she's a miss.
Manager, administrator, accountant, everything.
Teacher Katiana. She's everything. She's everything.
A substitute employee. The flattener. The flattener. Me, who does everything, but yeah.
Is she the one who records, like...
Yes, the little one. Careful. Because this burns, so everyone needs to step back. There it goes.
Because they come in disorder.
And there, we have the mixture ready to flatten.
Flattener. Function.
It's spread out so it can be nice. And flat. A more or less uniform size. Move, I'm recording.
But they came these days and took a picture of me at the beach all messy, so...
Shut up. Sorry.
Hey.
What?
Why are they indeed so bold?
They're defending you, but yeah. Hey, I'm making a recording. Shh.
Ready? Could I... maybe?
Done.
Stick, eh?
Katiana, seriously, this is done in silence. Hey.
You make Fernando do it. But a lot. You can see me from the sides. When did I give you the husband? I had already thought I was going to leave him.
The process of flattening, crushing.
Cut it evenly.
Flattener. Flattener.
Flattener.
Yes.
Look at the camera for a moment.
Focused and determined.
Okay. This is the next step. After stirring, after stirring the sesame with the sugar, it is placed on this table and spread out and flattened. Then it is cut.
You are very skinny. No, just kidding.
Then they end up like this. A few small little squares. Afterwards, they are packaged in these small bags. The bag is stored, and then comes the sealing step. Here we have the little machine that seals. Here are several packaged items and the sealing process. After the sealing process, comes the bottling into jars, which is the final step.
Into the jars.
Into the pots.
And the final step,
There it is.
the pots have their label, their name.
And here you have it.
Then it's stored in the box to be taken to its final destination.
Come on, dude.
And that's all, folks.
I can already see it.